and to step forward to do the POA assessment, material design for face-to-face environment. How would you use a video to teach in face-to-face environment? I will ask my student to use creativity, read a story, and then draw a picture about the story. Or in the listening part one, will didactic something so we can write I will use it as a guide to ask something or to give an explanation. I will also use very dynamic videos that will capture that attention of my student according to their age, stage, and habits. I will also work with videos that are fun, loud, colorful, and short. B. What language skill will you practice? B. Would you do it? I will mostly practice listen because pay attention in the video, so this means that they max understand what is happening. In addition to speak because according to what they understand in the video, they will be able to give me the correct answer. There are some videos that show what they say, so in this case we can now also be working on reading ability. Personality, I like this video because students listen to the word prior and see how it is written at the same time. So it is easier for them to understand and observe the situation. By giving a student creative and exercise, we may then practice an important skill of using a language think creatively. Comprehension strategies, methods used to compensate for the lack of language in a communicate situation. For example, imitation drum paragraphing used to convey meaning, use creative and often imaginative form of expression. Students use language to perform the creative tasks, so they use it as a tool. In their original function, this prepares students to use that language instrumentally out that the classroom. According to youth English competence, it's easier to use videos for face-to-face environment. I will develop my own videos, or I will look for these that are already developed with the same characteristics that I am looking for. Develop my lesson plan in oral and written communication. Technology and teaching. As teacher, we must enter that technological era and teach our students that way to learn with this useful tool, showing that the benefit of it more than the leisure put into it, show them a better way to use technology in a fun and educational and productive way. Teachers need to know their students, know what they look like, and bring this lesson on the class. Who does not like technology? Technology in education has made many positive change. Today we can see, hear and learn about many types of educational sources: science, math, story and language, with just clicking on the button, especially for people who need to replay a video or a documentary many times to understand the topic of interest that is explained or shared. Educational today is better than 10 years ago, when most people did not have access to technology and education. For example, if I am teaching an English class, I can put a dialogue between two or more characters and show my students new words to check their vocabulary, to communicate, and I can give them homework and even tell them to watch the lesson at home. For example, learn English with cartoon, movies and soap operas for the class, or for any other activity. The technology is here and we can use it for face-to-face teaching and also for virtual environments. Thanks.